Maybe we should do we should do an old fashioned Friday where I drink like, well, you can't drink and get a tattoo, right? It's not. Virginia's for Grubbers. We are back again for another old fashioned Friday. Today we are at AhSo, which is located in Brambleton, which is in Ashburn. I don't know if Brambleton and Ashburn is Brambleton like a separate thing? I don't really know. Yeah. But it's in Brambleton, which is in Ashburn, so it's in Ashburn, Virginia. Today I'm here with Corey Wheeler. Corey, if you want to introduce yourself.
Corey Wheeler, RHOLC, and Nova Tattoo.
Corey's a phenomenal tattoo artist, and again, he's also part of the Real Husbands of Loudoun County, which I'm a huge fan of. But yeah, I actually came to AhSo like 3 weeks ago just to step in, and I actually tried one of their old fashions. So I actually already had one like 3 weeks ago, and it was, I don't want to go too far, solid. So I decided I need to come back here and do one of these. First thing we do, Corey, we do 4 ratings. First thing we do is off appearance. I'll let you go first, but before I even give my score, I just want to say, this is beautiful. This is a beautiful presentation.
I'm not going to lie, this is great.
Yeah. So 0 through 3.0, we do on just appearance. What are you thinking?
I'm going to go with 2.8.
Yeah.
It's definitely solid.
Yeah. I'm gonna go 2.9. He has the Luxardo cherry.
Yeah.
Has the orange, single ice cube, nice big glass.
Stamped cube.
The little this little
Grey Goose.
Yeah, it's this is pretty. And AhSo itself is a very like chic kind of restaurant. So if you're looking for like good wines or like good high-end meal, like this is just a great place. So I'm gonna go 2.9, 2.8. You said on appearance, and then next thing we do is first sip. So cheers, brother.
Cheers.
Woo.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Thoughts on that?
Good. That's actually pretty damn good.
All right, zero out of 3. What do you think?
That's a solid 2.5.
There you go. I'm gonna go 2.7. Again, I think I kind of cheated because I already had it, but I need to make sure when I come to these places that they're going to be good, because ultimately the goal is to find the best one in Virginia. So if I can come someplace and I know it's going to be good, definitely want to do it. So I'm gonna go 2.7. Next one we do is overall taste. So while we sip on that, I wanted to ask you, tattoo related.
Let's go.
What's the strangest, it could be tattoo itself or strangest request that you've had over the years?
That's a tough one because I've actually had a lot of those. But
Yeah.
A free tattoo that I had in my book that I thought no one would ever get until I had some crazy girl come in and actually get it.
Okay.
So, and it was a star, and at the tip of every star it was a dickhead. So when she came in, she asked, what is this free tattoo? And I said, that's what it is. That's what you get. It's free.
Yeah.
And she said, let's do it. And I said, you sure? She said, yep, let's do it. And she hopped in the chair. We did it. And now I have crazy memories.
That's amazing. That's amazing. The overall taste is very consistent. The lead mixologist here, his name is Phil, great guy. I talked to him when I came in and had my old fashioned a couple weeks ago. I watched him make it. He stirs it very well.
I do
and
like this.
Consistency is just there. I'm gonna go 1 up. I'm gonna go 2.8 on overall taste. What do you think on overall?
I'm gonna probably go the same, 2.8.
Yeah, I mean it's
Cube staying
right,
perfect, and
he also has like a little,
little stamp
there. The AhSo logo in the ice cube.
You can't go wrong with Luxardo either.
Yeah, I mean it's just Luxardo cherry, everything's great. And then the last thing we do is overall ambiance of the restaurant. Have you ever eaten here? Have you ever been here?
I haven't.
Okay. Again, I had a meal here. Inside, they have like a beautiful like little wine. It almost looks like you're in Washington, D.C. almost, very chic. So I know you've never been here, but just for me, since I've eaten here and the food was great, customer service was great, I'm going full 1 overall ambiance. What are you thinking?
I'll go the same.
Same, full 1. So I'm gonna do the math in post because I've already learned that I don't remember my own scores. I don't remember anybody else's scores, and we're just gonna slaughter it. Another old-fashioned Friday again. You can check Corey out in Percival, Virginia,
Yeah,
right?
Nova Tattoo, or on IG, just Tattoos by Wheeler.
That's it. Or in the Real Husbands of Loudoun County. If you're not a member of the Real Husbands of Loudoun County,
Join us.
and you're a dude and you live in Loudoun County, get on it. I don't know what you're doing with your life, but you need to get on with it. I want to thank AhSo Restaurant right here in Ashburn. Corey, thank you for coming on.
Thank you.
Again, cheers, brother.
Cheers.
Cheers, guys. Virginia's for Grubbers. Hey, guys. Once again, we are here at AhSo. This is Phil. He is their lead mixologist here, correct?
Sure, you can call me that.
What do you prefer to be called?
Is this a family show?
No.
A cocktologist is what I like to be called.
Cocktologist. You've heard it here first. Virginia's best cocktologist in the entire state. But Phil, tell us a little bit about the recipe and how you guys go about making your old fashions.
So we have an aging program here. We have these cool charred barrels. We infuse our Elijah Craig with maple, our special bitters, and we let it, the one that you have is a 6-month, a 3-month, and a 1-month blend.
Wow.
So that one's pretty tasty.
So they're all in separate barrels then?
They're all in separate barrels. Right now we have 6 and we're constantly rotating them.
Got you.
The ones that we just retired, the kitchen's gonna take over the barrels, and eventually I think we are gonna do like hot sauces, maybe like a fish sauce in there too.
Okay.
And then we might take them back into the barrels and have a funky flavor in them too.
Yeah. No, this was incredible. And I think this is one of the first places where I've seen where you got somebody do that. Put them in these like little, they have these little mini barrels in there where you guys have them pre-made in there. So I think it's amazing. But again, AhSo, is Brambleton the same as Ashburn? We're just talking about that. What's going on? Is it Ashburn? Is it Brambleton? Or is Brambleton just like a really cool part of Ashburn that people like to specify? No, I don't live in Ashburn, I live in Brambleton. What's going on with that?
So I live in Brambleton.
Okay.
The address does say Brambleton, but it's Ashburn.
Got it.
Yeah.
So we're in Brambleton. So that's it. Virginia's for Grubbers. Phil, thank you so much for everything, man.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate you.
Yeah.
All right, beautiful.
Sweet. I wish I was funnier. God damn it.